Are you a new mother and are you looking for a cake so that not just you but your child will also be able to wish your husband using the same cake? If yes, then today's video is for you. Because in this video, I will show you how to make a chocolate cake step by step and how to decorate it beautifully so that not just you but your child will also be able to wish his father using the same cake. So let's get started. So let's get started with a delicious chocolate cake. The first step is very crucial. Cut out the chocolate cake into perfect layers. You know what? A lot of bakers take this step very lightly. But if you don't cut your sponges into perfect layers, the remaining decoration will actually go for a toss. Because this one step will not only add a professional touch, but it will also enhance the overall look of your cake. It is like the foundation of a great cake. Now, arrange the cake sponge on the cake board and soak it with simple syrup to keep it moist. And then generously apply whipped cream. Along with this, I am also adding a bit of chocolate icing. Now remember, the consistency of your frosting, especially whipped cream, is the key for a professional look. A great product is the foundation for attracting many orders for your home bakery. And you should know what is the ratio of the whipped cream to sponge, how much whipped cream should be used for crumb coating, how much to be used for final decoration, how much whipped cream should be used for piping decoration, so that your customers are just going to fall in love with the taste and the beauty of your cakes as well. Guys, if you are struggling with many cake issues like runny whipping cream, dry cake, hard cakes, burnt cakes, poor cake decorations, consider joining my Super Baker program to get step-by-step knowledge where me and my team will help you work on your cakes in our Super Baker sub-community. In this community, beginner bakers are getting massive breakthroughs in just a matter of 30 days. Yes, you won't believe that, but they are even launching their home bakery and earning money from the comfort of their home. So type Super Baker to join my live coaching sessions immediately. In this program, we will also help you to experiment with flavors and offer innovative flavors to your customers from your home bakery. Because we believe that offering innovative and unique flavors is a fantastic way to stand out from the crowd and boost your home bakery revenue. And there you go, our cake is nicely frosted so well. So let's move on to the unique design using fondant. Roll out this fondant in a color of your choice. And on that, just write husband and dad as I'm showing. I'm using edible gel colors over here. Also, use some red fondant to add to the beauty of this overall cake. This will complete your design. And in this way, a mother can wish her husband and her child can wish his or her dad using a single cake. Isn't that a unique way to put a smile on your customer's face? And now here is a cool part. This cake is not just for birthdays. In fact, you can create this unique double wish cake for special occasions like Valentine's Day, making it even more versatile. Let's add the finishing touches. After you place this fondant sheet on your whipped cream cake, then you do some piping decorations around the cake. You can use fondant or you can use whipped cream as well. Now I am completing the look just by using fondant, but again there is no limit to the creativity when it comes to the cake decoration. Cake decorations, I believe, are so meditative. And there you have it, a beautiful personalized cake that carries double wishes. A cool way to surprise your loved ones or impress your customers with this unique double wish cake. Let me know in the comment box by typing cake design if you would love to see many such unique cake design ideas on my channel. I would be more than happy to do so for my lovely viewers like you. So guys, did you see how easy it is to make such a beautiful cake for your husband's birthday and for your child's father as well? I hope you have loved this video, and if yes, do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such easy recipes and easy decoration techniques. and click on the bell icon so that every single time I upload a new video on my channel, you get notified about it. Thank you so much for watching this video.